Hello everyone, I'm Hilary Chin. Thank you all so much for coming and watching my YouTube channel. Please do well to go down below there. Join our WhatsApp group to get more lessons. Today I'll be teaching you how to use the OBS app or OBS software to record lessons. Many times you see me recording lessons and you see the content I'm talking about, and at the same time you see me, right? Yes, what I use to do that video or those contents is the OBS software. It's very easy to use. It's open source. I'll be putting the link down below for you to have your own link to guide you to go and download one. It's free. It's really good. There are other softwares, but I think that OBS is wonderful. If you look at the YouTube system, OBS is connected to YouTube as well. Even in our O Connect, OBS is also connected there. Those of you who have been using the video function, if you pay attention very well in your O Connect, you see that the OBS has been embedded. It's an amazing software that many content creators across the world they use to record their lessons. So today I want to guide you through. I hope that this will help you. Please share this video as far as you can. Support someone out there just by sharing this video, okay? If you are an onpassive founder or athlete, share this video as far as you can, or any other person out there who wishes to start doing such lessons. Remember, I promise that I'll be bringing this content out here. So please, let's get in there so I show you how this works. Today I want to show you how to use the OBS software to record your lessons or record your videos. Right here I've just launched the software. Right here, this is the software. If I click here, it goes down. I click, it comes up here. Each time you launch this software, all you need to do is come here to this stop recording here and click start recording. So I already click start recording, so it's recording here already, okay? And once you do this, or before you do this, what you have to do is there are some setups that you need to do. Right now you can see that I am recording, and at the same time you can see me talking. You can see a video behind there. So the way I did this was that it was simple. I simply came here. There's a position here that says scenes. Okay, so I came here and I chose the scene, this first scene, and I gave it a name. So how I did that was simple. I came to this plus and I clicked, and then it appeared, this other option appeared here. It said add scene. So I gave it a name, scene 3 for instance. So when I clicked that, I came back here to scene 2, to this scene. This is the scene 3 I've just created. If I go there, everything will be blank, so I'm not going to go there. So in order not to make everything blank, when you click your scene, you see that it opens up this other space that says source. Okay, you also come to the source beside that scene and you click this plus. When you click this plus, there are two things as a beginner that I advise you to select. You would select the display capture. Display capture allows you to capture your screen, capture the lessons you are trying to teach. For instance, if I raise up my browser here, you see that this onpassive OES back office appears, and here I can start talking about founders, mail, net, trim. I can open up any product here and start teaching you. I start explaining to you how it looks and what it means. You see that right now as I'm talking to you, you are seeing me, and at the same time you are seeing the onpassive platform. This is how easy it is to use the OBS, okay? I can just come here and I bring it down, and now you cannot see it again. Now you see our OBS app. So this is how it works. And also another thing I want to show you is that I have two scenes here. I have scene 2 and scene itself. If I go to scene 2 here, you see that there's no video, okay? Because here I just added just display capture. Here I can come here and add video if I want. So right here, if we look at here, you see video capture device. So I can click this and then I add my video capture device. There are other options. For the purpose of beginners guide, I will not go too detailed with all these other options. We are just going to end here because I want you to start doing your own recordings on your machine. Okay, go down below the link. I'll be putting the link there for you to download this software. It's free, it's open source online. Here again, if I want to see what I'm capturing, I can just come here and I click stop recording, and then I come up here to this file. I go to show recordings, and then it opens up, and here I see my recordings. These are other videos that I have recorded. Now I can right click like this and then copy and then come and paste on my desktop here, the wall of my machine, in order to edit it and then maybe cut some parts of it that I don't want people to see out there. Okay, do some editing before I publish on YouTube. So this is how easy it is to use the OBS app. Also, when you are in your OBS, you see that I can click on my camera and I can play with my camera. You see, I can adjust it like this. I can take it to my left, I can take it up there, you see. I can shift it anywhere I want to shift it, you see. Also, I can make it smaller, you see. I can make it very small, you see. I can make it very big. I can make it very, very big, you see. My camera is bigger now. Hello. I can make it very big, yeah. I can make it very small. So this is just how you can be creative around your OBS and do a whole lot of stuff while you use OBS. You see, that is it. So do well to start using this to record your own lessons. Those of you who are OnPassive founders and athletes, please share this video as far as you can for everyone to start using this to record their own video. Please do well to start using the OBS app. So what I'm going to do right now, I'll just come here and I click stop recording, and that's it, guys. Thank you so much.